Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So once again I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. My friends, what's going on in the Polygon Matic? As Polygon gave us profit or not? In this video we are going to discuss the latest update of the Polygon Matic and also discuss the future of the Polygon Matic. Possibilities the price will pump in the future, or possibilities that the price falls down in the future. Let's see, my friends. But remember, my friends, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. I hope you all subscribe my channel, so thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Now, my friends, if we talk about the price chart of the Polygon Matic, so you can see here, my friend, that is the last only price chart of the Polygon Matic. And on the other hand, if you look the beginning of a day, in the beginning of a day, the Polygon Matic start jump. You can see here everything is on the front of your eyes. From the price chart, that's clear that in the beginning of a day, the Polygon Matic start jump, and after some passage of time, some after 4 hours, after 5 hours, sometime the price is again falls down. You can see here, my friends, the price is falls down, and after falls the price is again start jumping gradually, not a quick jump occur. After some falls the price take a jump for some time, and after that again price falls down, and again take a small jump, again falls down. So my friends, now from this chart, from this technical analysis, my prediction is going wrong about a Polygon Matic, because you can see here after a beginning jump, the Polygon Matic is, I think, gradually, my friends, slowly the price of Polygon Matic is going down. So my friends, my prediction, maybe possibilities in the future that the price falls down more, because now they are in the falling situation. You can see here, my friend, that the price of the Polygon Matic is gradually falls down. So that is why I'm telling you that they are in the falling situation. My friends, possibilities today or tomorrow the price more falls down. So that's not mean that the price falls down, so you decide to sell. That's my technical analysis. Now everything is clear for all of you that tomorrow the price falls down. So don't lose hope. Just hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.